Y'all thought I was joking when I said that I drink a pink drink a day. Well, this time I found a cheaper alternative than going to Starbucks every single day. Freeze-dried strawberries. Pink drink in a bottle. Cup. That's it. Just to make a pink drink at home, that is it. Now I'm gonna go get ice. You get some ice too. I like my ice basically full to the top because I drink my drinks fast, super fast. So I'm not worried about it watering down. But if you want more ice, you go ahead and go for it. Okay? If you want more ice or you want less ice, that's all you. You do that. Okay? The next step is to grab your freeze-dried strawberries. It doesn't have to be freeze-dried. You can add real unfreeze-dried strawberries, like the fruit. You can go ahead and add that if you want. I mean, that's up to you ultimately. I don't do it just because it adds more water to it, and I don't really like that. And also, Starbucks uses freeze-dried strawberries anyway, so I just grab a few, put it in there. Looks muy bonita, huh? Yeah, it smells good. It smells real good. Then you grab your pink drink. Again, this is bottled. It says make sure you shake well. You shake it. Starbucks pink drink coconut milk beverage. So after you have your pink drink in the bottle, once you've grabbed it, then you're gonna pour it in. This is my favorite part because I like swirling it around the entirety of my cup. Don't know why. Just I don't know. Maybe it makes it colder faster. I don't know. But then you're gonna go ahead and you're just gonna mix those strawberries into your pink drink. I don't know, maybe it gives it more flavor. I'm not sure, but Starbucks puts freeze-dried strawberries in it, so I do too. When that's done, I don't know, I can't really show you without pouring it out, but anyway, I like to give it a good mix. Make sure that it's all cooled, chilled, if you will. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid on. Now guys, no, this is not like my pink drink from Starbucks. One reason being, I don't have boba in mine. I can't find raspberry boba pearls anywhere. Anywhere. Starbucks is probably buying them all out. Regardless, I'm still obsessed with this drink. I still love it. Especially when it's only like $3 a bottle of these pink drinks. Okay, anyways, so this is my pink drink. Let's go ahead and try. Peace out. Try this drink. Just try it. Just try it. I promise you it tastes exactly the same. I mean, it basically is the same, just a lot cheaper. Just saying. Just saying. Deuces.